Hi guys, if you are a new subscriber, welcome back. And if you are a regular subscriber, you know what I mean. But thank you for watching again this video. So what I want to show you today, I bought some good hair. Ooh, just look. Okay, this is how the package looks. So this is how the package looks, and this is the hair. So it's synthetic hair, so it's not Brazilian hair, it's synthetic hair. Okay, let me take a slow motion. It's synthetic hair because you know what, I'm just rocking one style, which was my wig from Namibia. Then I decided, let me go and try out some hair. Since I can't afford right now Brazilians, who, if I convert that euros into Namibian dollars, it's a lot of money. So I opted for this synthetic hair so I can just change and test it out. I actually wanted to buy two. But then I remembered, let me go and test it, and if I like it, then I'll come back and see if I will find something else that I love. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna show you how I will cut off the edges. This is how I like cutting off my edges. This lace, how I'll cut it off. Oh, where's my mirror? Okay, let me get my mirror first. How I will cut off this part. Can you see? And I like the way that the lace is already, you know, going with my color, my natural color, but I feel like it's a little bit darker, but that can be fixed with foundation. What I will do, where's my mirror? Oops, please don't fall. Okay, I hope you can see me. Oops, this mirror of mine, I just need to see myself. So what I like doing before cutting off the wig, remember this is not a straight wig, it's this type of wigs. Can you see? Yeah, this is how in the middle it's a side type of wig. So I'm gonna take this, place it on my head so I can have it straight, because this is a side wig. That's why I wanted to buy this. But the way that it's already showing on my head, it doesn't, you won't tell a difference. You will just think it's, you know, natural human hair. Ooh, am I feeling myself? Okay, so this is how it looks. So before I start cutting off this part, I just like moving. Remember, it's not Brazilian hair, it's synthetic hair. So before I start doing anything, I just like to see how it looks. So this is how the lace look. But you know what? The lace doesn't have to. The lace does. What is this? Before I cut it, I need to make sure that the hair is inside. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Because me pulling the lace a little bit, I don't want the hair to be just like this. Okay. Okay. So this is how I would cut my hair. This is the mirror. Oh my goodness. Is it only me, or is the camera lying to me? Or is the mirror lying to me? Or is the mirror lying to me? Okay, so now I have seen. So close up, this is how it looks. I hope you can see. This is how it looks. So now I have seen how it looks on my head, but now what do I need to do? Scissor, cut it. It looks beautiful. Damn, tomorrow I'm rocking this. I'm rocking this. So basically, since this is a synthetic type of hair and you don't have this, it's already these hair pieces is already done for you. So I think for this one, since you can't do much on this hair, the only option that you will have when cutting these is just to follow the line, because it's already straight. It's not like it has those baby hairs where you have to check. I think this one, it's one size fits all. So basically what I will do with my scissor, I'm just gonna follow that line. The problem is that I didn't want it a straight line, but now since this one, it's already portioned for you and you don't want to damage the wig, so I'm gonna follow that line and just do my zigzag so that it cannot show too straight. Because I don't like it when my wig is so straight, but remember, certain things you need to pay high in money, and certain things you don't need to pay that much. So for this one, you know, this is a budget wig. So if you can't afford it, you know, a nice wig that you have to pay a lot of money, then basically you will need to go with this wig. I didn't even, what is this? I didn't even, if I convert it to Namibian dollars, how much did I spend on this wig? Where's my calculator? Oh, and this hair of mine needs to be removed tomorrow. So how much did I spend on this wig? My dear. So this wig was expensive. I won't even mention the price. That's the thing about me. Converting euros to Namibian dollar, you will become stingy. So right now I'm not gonna convert anymore. I'll just stay quiet, because you will get a heart attack. Oh my goodness. The moment that you just keep on getting a calculator and converting, my brother, bring a stingy guy this side. Then I think he will probably die, because he will be comparing every little thing. Just imagine buying coffee. Just coffee for 3 euros. For 3 euros, convert that into Namibian money. How much will that coffee be? That will be like, let's say 21 euro equals to 20 Namibian dollars. So that will be like 3 times 20 will be 60. Just in a cup of coffee. That's why I'm like, guys, if you come here, don't convert. Please don't convert anything, because you will go mad. You will go mad. But I have a video on my channel, what is this, where I have already done the work for you, so that you know which places is cheap, which one is high-end, based on your own preferences and what you prefer. So I did that research for you, and then you can probably see, so that if you like expensive stuff, go here. If you like cheap things, go here. If you like average, go here. I have a separate video for that. Definitely. So I have cut off my hair. I can't, oh my goodness, these things just looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the moment of truth, can you see? This is how I cut it off. Can you see? This is how I cut it off. Nice and what? So all I have to do right now is to, I don't think, should I, okay. All I have to do right now is to have this on my head. Have this on my head. is, whoo, hey, my dear, with quality. Did I cut some hair? Why is this thing shredding? Really? Okay, but that is not a part of the story. But as long as you look good, bro. But here, I told you guys I'm gonna buy this thing as a tester. But hey, shredding. I'm so used to Brazilians. Or maybe it's because I cut some portion, that's why it's shredding. Yeah, I think this is a part that I mistakenly cut. If it was at my mom's place, my mom will say, "Where ne? Ne." My mom will say, "Where ne? No mi fufu we." Eh? Me makakeke humboranch. Apparently, if I'm not there, the house is not dirtified by hair. But the moment I come, everywhere she works or looks, it's just hair. So, but right now, I think, oh my dear, is this real? I don't think I will want, this is extra work for me. I don't need something to make my life difficult. I need something to make my life manageable. I don't need something where I'll be just, you know, every day I'm just cleaning. No. But anyways, this is how it looks. I love the color combination. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. That's why I bought it, because it needs to be this side. But yeah, it's not bad for the price that I bought. I mean, for the real Brazilians, just imagine this is 50 euros. You convert it in American dollars, is 900 for this week. 50 euros and 900 for this week. So, but now, if you have to buy, you know, dead virgin hair, Brazilian, you will need good hair. Good hair. It starts around 150 going up. I mean good virgin hair. 150 I'm still playing. 200 and going up. That's where you will get that hair. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Does it? It doesn't look bad at all. So this is how it looks close up. Not bad at all. The only thing that I don't like about this, I think it's probably because of the way, okay, maybe those were the hair that I mistakenly cut off when I was testing out, when I was cutting off the wig, probably. But yeah, right now there's no more hair falling off, which is fine. So these ones were the ones that I cut off, because if it has to be shredding like that for the whole month and it's still new, I don't think it's something that I want to do. So this is how it looks. And please guys, if you would like me to keep on sharing videos like this, let me know. Let me know. So actually, I hear a lot of people asking, a lot of people texting, asking, calling, doing all of that. Yeah, basically a lot of people asking me, where do you buy your hair? Why does your hair always look so good? What's your secret? So yeah, at times, if I'm around my location and I'm not going anywhere, I take the basic type of hair. And if I'm going to events and nice places where I need to rock, I take the real deal. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and share. I love you. And always keep on checking, because I post each and every week one video.